Oh God, that's slippery.
Yeah, sit on your butt. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not going down.
Easier if you just go. Don't think about it.
Do it.
You can do it. Jared. Oh, you did?
Well, you should go. All right. You guys are not worth the film or whatever is in this thing. There he goes. He's gonna go. He's gonna go. Oh my God! He did it! He did it! He did it! Yay! Good job! Clap, please. Clap, clap, clap. Oh, he can come up.
Oh! You're right.
It only makes it worse.
Be careful.
I got it. Yeah.
That's one way to get in.
That's one way to get in.
That was better than your phone. Yours was like an 8, that one was a 10.
Yeah.
When I pooped the water, there was air coming out.
You're still into the... Show your brother which way you came out, Ethan. Now this is gonna be good. Come this way, Jared, where your brother came out, honey.
I came out pretty.
I don't think he wants to come out.
He doesn't want to come out. No.
Oh yeah! Get! Did you tape record me that time? Did you
Absolutely. Now say hi to the camera and tell us how cold the water is.
Well, it's
Pretty darn cold.
pretty obvious for a freezing amount.
Yeah. Okay.
It's cold.
Okay.